Straight line, guys. Straight line. Move up a little bit. On the side, on the side.
Oh, I didn't think it was ours. I don't know. Do our thing.
Nice drive.
What you guys call? You gotta let everybody know. Say it loud now.
Move up, straight line, straight line, straight line. On the seven
If
side.
we can bring this tunnel in just a little bit.
Oh yeah, you guys need to get
Just these.
Go, ladies.
Yes, good. That's fine. Come on.
the ball. Come on, guys.
Play it.
Get with her, Sam! Get with her, Sam!
That's good. Come on.
Olivia, come on, Olivia.
Hold it. Set it up, ladies. Sam, you gotta support those
Hold on.
runs.
Switch with Una. Get in. There you go. Now, go. Bambura! Nice. Go low.
You there, scouts, keep it up. Seniors, let's go.
Get the ball. Come on, Amelia.
One more, Sam.
Now defense.
Get with her.
Amelia, help! Go! Back! Now defense!
Guys, stop punching! Move over! Guys, move over!
Get it! Help me! Gotta be patient. Do not go offside.
Take it back!
Gotta be patient. Defensive line out. How many? Oh, defensive line out. 4. That's it.
No line out.
Defensive with the ball. Perfect with the ball.
What do you want? 2. Hold it. Good light on his set now.
Hey, Ariana, come over here.
Clean up our game, Panthers. We need to control this ball.
Yeah, in! That's straight.
Go! Go, Highlander! Go!
On the pole. Out on the pole.
Vienna, shoot that goal and catch the ball. You can catch the ball and run. Get down, go down. Sit down. Tell the ref. Autumn, be ready.
Communicate, Panthers.
Here we go. Lots of forwards. Doing great. I'm lucky.
Nice. You gotta go low on a tackle.
Allison, you have to be there to support her. That's your role, okay? You gotta be there.
Hey, watch the left side. Watch your left side. Watch the numbers. Ball's out, come on! Take your ball, Jessica! Don't wait! Nice! Oh! Go, ladies! Oh, guys, you cannot afford giving them the ball.
You're on the 50. You only have to be 10 back.
Go! Make a tackle! Go, make a tackle!
Wait.
Follow!
Move up.
Go!
Get him out of the night! Get him out of the night!
Move up! Back over! Oh, come on. She uses the hand and rough.
Move up.
Pretty good! Go, lady! Come on!
my God, there's like 2 or 3 other events.
Come on, Chesapeake.
There's 2 or 3 other events I noticed. My boyfriend library.
Go, guys. Let's go, let's go. Ariana, out over here.
You already weird.
Hold wait, look. Una!
Hey, support her!
Now go. Now go.
Protect the right side.
Carla, tuck
Go,
it
go,
in.
go, 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 go. Ariana.
Protect there.
Ariana. Ariana. You play defense over there, not behind here. Ariana, go.
That's rough.
Go, go, go. Let's go, let's go. Take the foul.
That's arm down. Keep it down. Good defensive ball.
Go. Not a hell of a medium. Go.
Break it back! Break it back!
Come on.
Qatar, Isa, come on! Go, get out of the way!
Now let's go. Let's go.
Keep moving up!
Hey, let's go. Help. You gotta help the tackle.
Weak side.
Okay, go.
You guys should be a flat line!
Go for it. Yes. It's a penalty.
Carla, you gotta bump out.
Congrats on whoever got that.
Go Highlanders, keep fighting. Go.
Yeah, but you wear that on the few words before. Oh, you did. Oh, hell yeah. I understand the way.
Oh, come on. Get the elbow up. Get the ball. One more, one more, one more.
Good job, KT. Keep moving up.
Go now.
Good job, Maya.
Move like that.
Go, keep going.
Up. Why are you guys just standing there? Hey, why are you guys just standing there?
I'm playing
Hey,
ball.
get right. Not the flat. Make it the flat.
That's all right. Normally I'd let you get away with it at that point, but
Oh, I don't know. I think he saw it as like high. Guys, we must have did that.
right here, because I know they handed me coach.
Hey, man up! Hey, stop talking back to each other.
Come on!
Move up. Move up.
See the ball!
Go, Mia! Yeah, go, Mia! Support her! Good job supporting Sam. So, Yoma! Yeah, Jasmine! Oh, sorry. I keep getting it. It's easier for Sam.
Gotta help your team.
Get with it!
Get her!
Come on, guys. That was another hand in the rock.
Run out!
Get up on there!
Run out! Get it! Run out!
On. On. Come on. The ball! The ball! The ball! The ball! The ball! Come on! The ball! Be ready!
Go, go, go!
Go, 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 go!
You got it,
Go!
Maya, see what's going on, right?
Ball.
That's you.
BC. Yes.
Awesome. Looks great. Looks great. Straight. Straight. That's
That's
fine.
all.
Wait.
The ball! Look the ball! Look the ball!
Run up, ladies! There you go, Andy! There you go! Nice, Hugo! Good job, girls! Three more. All right.
Go, go. Leave yourself. Be strong. What up?
Oh, yeah.
Go, go. Leave yourself. Leave yourself.
Anybody else?
You got this, Jazz. You got this, girls. Good job.
Keep it up.
Woo! You got this.
Good job, ladies. What's the ball?
You got that. Do it again. Woo!
Eyes on the ball. Eyes on the ball. Remember that, George.
Dad! Dad! May sanga i. May pasanga ako yun ha. Ikaw nga, ikume nga ito yung ito. Kumain nga sa kako nga, ilit ha.
En bara går upp på och så här, vad har gjort?
Yan. Kumain nga ilo ko.
Bailey.
Go!
Let's go, Riley!
Hard. He said, yeet. Yeet.
Good job, Riley!
When that girl tries my car, she's like, that's just so good.
So good. That's how you do it, girl. Keep it up. Because I'm in the booth right now.
Baby, wow.
No, she came in
You
from
believe
nowhere.
yourself.
Nice, Amelia! Keep moving it out!
There you go. That's the ball. Come on.
Who's with her? I said go eat.
Gotta make a pass.
Yes, up.
On the serve, guys. On the serve. You far behind. Move up now. Go. Move up. Move up. Move up.
Get with her, Kinsey.
Take the ball. Jessica, you gotta make the pass. You gotta make the pass. They use everybody. Hey, it's a scrum, guys. It's a scrum. Go, Highlanders. It's yours.
You can do it.
Yes, up.
Skippy!
But we haven't made any cakes, so I don't know how much it is. Should I go and start? Just be like, how many cakes? I'll ask you. I don't know either. What was that?
Walk over. Come on. Come on.
Nice, Maya.
Somebody help her. Let go.
Nobody else is doing it.
Balls out! Yeah, Kylie! Nice!
All right. She is getting very. This is gonna be like. Cam for a second. Yeah, like.
Go, Scout!
No, I'm
Right up, Allison!
Una on the side. On the side. On the side. Una.
Quick!
Go.
Oh, we're in
Out, lady.
their video.
Out.
Sorry.
Either to our bench or hustle, run back. Come this way.
You got this, Allison.
Yeah, we're watching the ball.
Over the place. That would be so funny.
Yeah, Kenzie.
Utah!
Allison, Sanders, you guys are doing great. Just keep it up.
Defense. Cameron, defense. All right, KK.
Let's go. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Good, Jazzy. Swap with Itzel for a minute. Twist. Go twist.
Lazy. Stop, stop, stop. Stop.
Bring out our flank.
Yeah, go. It's yours. Yeah, what's here? No.
So sorry.
Can we score? No, because it touched it first. Okay, so it's going to be a line. Okay. Oh.
Right here on the line.
Do you mind marking for me? No, it's okay. Just that way they know where to make the big. Sting!
There you go.
Sting! Wait. Sorry, we never see you. All right, you are all good. Thank you.
Contest the ball.
And
Go. Mikey. Our line up.
B, you're good. Alrighty.
Beast.
Maybe you could hold for me so now that it's their ball, it doesn't matter number here. Does that make sense? And then have a player that's in the defense. Great. Alright, go for it. That's fine. Play on.
Go. Yeah, keep going. Keep going.
Alexis, you're scummy. Jasmine. Alexis is scummy.
Now keep quick to me. Not wait.
Come on over here.
Can we win?
Yes, we can.
We really just need to make some kicks. Go some
Sorry, we're not going yet. Okay, fine.
Go!
These are hard.
I know. I'm like,
Hold it up! That's a knock-off. Knock-off. That's a knock-off.
Come on, guys.
Jasmine, what's the score?
I don't know, but it's working. That's what I aim at.
Carla. Carla, get out. All right. Got a black ball here.
Yeah.
Come on, Matt. You okay?
One or the other.
That's a straight ball. That's fine. Play on. Get her, Cameron. Get her, Cameron. Good. Keep it flat. Good.
Go, Tyler!
Good job.